I love when they run. They're so cute. I don't think people think when they start looking for exotic pets.
No.
Alligators grow up to be big alligators.
Crocodiles bigger. Go to the big crocodiles.
I know. I wouldn't have a baby bear either.
No.
They grow up to be huge.
Baby tiger.
Ugh. But if you have a refuge, it wouldn't be so bad. But
Yeah. Just have it for a pet.
no. Now people do have pigs.
Yeah.
Those little pigs, I guess.
Fat belly pigs.
Yeah. I don't think that's so bad. When you start getting.
I wouldn't have a bobcat either.
Oh.
But Steve has a cat that's part bobcat, part domestic. Max. She's adorable. She's a little bobcat tail.
Cute.